Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will review another website that is intexusa.shop. If you are interested to know about the legitimacy of this website, please stay tuned with us, watch the video till then, and by then you will be able to get the answer of your question either this is a legit shop or not. So let's begin with our video. The people of United States are very curious about to know the status of this store. So let's check out the details of this Intex USA store. This is an online shopping store for portable swimming pools that are for both rubber and metal. There are three types of pools on the website, that are circular, metal frame and phrase my frame pools. So it would be preferred to be based on the website popularity and social presence. So let's check out the details of this store. Like, the store is HTTP secured. They are offering you shipping over $40 worldwide. Their mailing address is not mentioned on the website. All the returns will be accepted within 7 days of delivery. Moreover, the moment of the product is received to the store, the refund is guaranteed. The payment will be granted to PayPal. What are the negative point of shopping from this Intex USA shop is that the registration has been completed recently. Like, it was registered on 13th of June 2021. Moreover, the search engines are not optimizing this website. The negative links for the social media presence were found for this website. The About Us page seems to have misleading information which does not match with the product category, and it is not the official Intex website. But there are some positive point of shopping from this, as we have find out that Intex USA shop is maybe a scam or not. So let's take some positive point is that it is a verified SSL certificate that is followed by HTTPS protocol. All the products of the website is to be sold online only, and not on any kind of blacklist engine was detected on the servers. But we need to get feedbacks on what they have done so far and what they need to continue in future. When we talk about feedback, we get to know what this particular store has achieved and the negative highlights of this particular website. If we do not get any feedback for the particular store we are visiting, it is confirmed that this is not the website that is followed by many followers. So it is not safe, which could be said for this website also. That is Intex USA shop is scam. It is true. But if you are interested in buying Intex pools, the best way is to visit their official website and buy it from here, so you can not be get scammed from this website.